Hi, my name is Laila Adriana from the Department of Applied Artificial Intelligence. This is my data structure and algorithm term project, the Seoul Subway Route Finder. The goal of this project is to express subway data using graph and develop a program that finds the shortest path between two stations. The subway network is modeled as a weighted graph using nodes, edges, and agency lists. The program is built across three files: the data files, the Djikstra files, which here I'm using the Djikstra algorithm to find the shortest path, and the main file. For the input and output, the user needs to enter a start stations and end stations in Korean, and then the program will find and display the best route between the two stations. The output will show each stop along the way, which lines it belongs to, where to transfer, and the travel time in minutes. Okay, now let's see what we have in each files. So in data files, the graph is built by looping through each segment and connecting every adjacent pair of stations with a travel edge of 2 minutes. But for line 2, the circular flex closes the loop by linking the last station back to the first. Transfer edges are automatically detected. Any stations appearing on 2 or more lines gets the transfer edges between them. Now in the Djikstra files, we use main.py queues to ensure that the closest node is always get processed first. This is what makes the Djikstra efficient. If a shorter path to a node is already found, the outdated entry in the queue is skipped. At every step, previous stores where we came from. So once the destination is reached, the full path can be reconstructed backwards. Finally, in main files, we use build graph functions at the start to build the entire graph fully before any user interaction begins. But this one, we do not put it as output. We don't display it to the user. And then the while through loop skips the program runs until the user enters quit. And then if you notice, we use strip at every input to remove accidental spaces so that the station name is always read correctly. So that's all from me. Thank you.